So if you're here, then that means you still haven't made an online sale just yet. And it's probably because that you're missing two most important key factors. And I'm going to be sharing with you those two things in this video. Hi, I'm Jason Hopkins, and I want you to be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you click on the bell notification to receive more of my future content. Now, when I first started on this journey, it was tough for me to make sales because I would try to sell to almost everybody until people got sick and tired of me. And it became frustrating hearing people say no to me. And so the frustration ended when I finally decided to look for the education and learn fundamentals on how to market. And with that education and applying what I learned, I was finally able to break through. So now it's time for you to learn the two top reasons why you haven't made an online sale. Now, the first reason is not having the right offer. You have to be, you got to be good at helping people solve problems. So your target audience, you have to be able to solve your target audience's problems. So you might have this belief that you have a great offer, but if you don't know how to market the product, or if you don't know how to market, then you're going to have a hard time making sales, right? Now, the second thing is you have to be good at selling your story before the product. So what I mean is, for example, anytime when you're watching these commercials, what grabs you the most, the product or the stories that they tell? Most people, they love a good story, right? So most of these commercials, they tell a good story. And not only that, but the commercial is directly is like it's like as if the commercial's talking directly to you, right? Not other people, just you. They're targeting you specifically. And when that happens, then you're probably most likely ready to buy that product because of the stories that they tell. So telling your story or telling something personal to your target audience, you're breaking the ice and you're building that know, like, and trust factor, right? And your stories are, what's going to happen is your stories, it's going to resonate with your audience. So you want to be good at storytelling, and you got to have the right offer. So if you got value from this video, be sure to leave a comment below, give this a thumbs up, and if you're watching this on Facebook, give a heart, give a like, and just leave me a comment. And if you want to know my #1 recommended program, there's a link in the description box below this video where you'll be directed to a page where you're going to put your name and your email. Once again, my name is Jason Hopkins. Thanks for watching.